Hello there, how's it going everybody? In this tutorial I'm going to talk to you about GRE, JDK and also GVM. Okay, let's first of all dive into our picture. Here I have kind of slide, okay, and let me explain you what is JDK, GVM and GRE, okay. So guys, let me pick this draw thing here. This JDK is the tool that we downloaded from the Google. You have to remember it, and you have to download it. Okay, this is my JDK, and JDK is the development tool. For example, Java C, gheap. For now, you don't actually need to understand all of this. Okay, we said we downloaded this JDK from the Google, and inside this JDK, when we downloaded, we got this GRE, and GRE means Java Runtime Environment. Okay, Java Runtime Environment, and this is Java class library. You can see is written here, and here I have JVM. It is Java Virtual Machine. Actually, this JVM, let's say, provides me a virtual machine that I can, let's say, write code. Okay, I have here one more picture. Let's come here. Okay, you can see here JVM is the Java Virtual Machine, and this GRE is the JVM plus libraries. Let's come to another picture. You can see this GRE. Inside the GRE we have JVM plus Java class library, and in here we said GRE is JVM plus library set. We can come here, and here I have kind of formula. This GRE equals JVM plus libraries. Okay, when for example, when someone asks you what's GRE, actually it is Java Runtime Environment, you can basically tells JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine plus libraries. Okay, and this JDK is GRE plus compiler. We will talk about what is compiler. So let's come to our picture again. So we said GRE, Java Runtime Environment, is the JVM plus libraries, and here I have Java Development Kit that we downloaded. We went to the Google and we said download JDK. Okay, actually we downloaded JDK 8. When we said this, actually we got GRE, and that GRE, inside the GRE we got JVM plus libraries, and here I said I got development tool here. Okay, here I got plus development tool. Okay guys, I want to dive into my IntelliJ, and I want to give you some basic information about GRE, JVM and JDK. Okay, by the way guys, I want to write notes here inside the my IntelliJ. I want to write notes. Please you also take these notes, okay, or I will write these notes in the notepad and I will share this note with you. Okay, so guys, let me stop the video here. Let me write my notes, and after writing this I will play video again. So guys, I wrote my notes here. You can see, first of all, let me explain you this JVM with my notes. JVM loads the code, verifies the code and execute the code. Okay, this is the basic three features of JVM, and provides a runtime environment. Okay, JVM provides a runtime environment. Physically doesn't exist. For example, you can see it from the name. It is Java Virtual Machine, and physically it doesn't exist, and it is platform independent. For example, you can write a code in the Mac operation system and you can run it in the Windows or Linux. Okay, for example, I use Windows operation system. I can run my code in the Linux or in the Mac operation system. Okay guys, so this is the platform independent. So, and JVM just provides a runtime environment. This is the most common feature of JVM, provides a runtime environment. And this is my GRE implementation of JVM. Okay, and for running Java code, JVM actually GRE is minimum required. Running Java code, GRE is required. GRE has libraries. We said that JVM uses them at the runtime. Okay, and this GRE physically exists and it is platform dependent. Let's let's see what is the difference between GRE and GVM. The most common difference is sorry guys, this is platform dependent. GRE is platform dependent, but GVM is platform independent. Okay, and GRE most commonly used to run code. Okay, so and here I have last of all JDK full-featured software development kit. Okay, or we can call it Java development kit, and contains GRE plus development tools. And what I mean development tools, for example, there are debugger or compiler or etc. etc. For now, you don't know what is compiler, you don't know what is debugger, but do not worry, we will talk all about this in the future. For now, you don't need to understand these topics. Okay, so you have to understand that contains GRE. Okay, this is my GRE and development tools. So, and difference between JDK and GRE run code, and JDK also used to run code, but JDK have plus programming. Okay, for writing programs, let's come IntelliJ. For example, I want to write this SOUT, okay, and I want to say here hello world. For writing this, you need JDK. Okay, let's run this. In the console, in the Java console, actually, I will see my result. You can see hello world. I saw this in my console. Okay, guys. So I will share this notes with you. You can also you can take your own notes and you can add something here. Okay, so let's finish our lesson here. Let's see you in the next lecture.